Today I will explain about is number DAX function. Okay, once you see this syntax is number and next add any value. Okay, let's go to check this is number DAX function in Power BI desktop. Okay, see this. Now I am already prepared some data. Okay, and go to click new column. Okay, see this. Now type here is number. Okay, see this, check whether a value is number and returns true or false. Okay, let's check this is number function. Now I am adding sales IDs. Okay, see this IDs all are numbers, so it's returned to show for true. Okay, see this, when you apply this place names, see this is now automatically showing false. Okay, this is number basic class. I will explain further classes in real time DAX functions which place used best better to use this is number DAX function. I will tell you. Okay, this is here is number DAX function.